How much? Plus.
1,000.
Plus 1,000 pesos in cash goes to Candidate.
Ciao, let me
Bouquet and Bouquet and flower. You on press, Candidate.
Compress.
To hold yan.
Compress.
Yan.
Compress!
Amo Mark. Our bebot second runner goes to Candidate number 1.
Hey! Candidate number 1.
Ay, luto! Receiving our first runner receiving bebot 2006. First runner donated by Roma Garcia, receiving 50,000 pesos in cash that will be flight to Rancho. Our second runner goes to Candidate number 2.
Okay mo, Daranupla.
Binibining Bebo 2000.
May kaul kayo kanyan.
Captain Jaro Bondo. Receiving 3,000 pesos in cash. So, okay. 30,000 pesos. Okay, in cash.
Plus. Mountain lot.
Yes.
Asian crowd. One exhibition.
Yes.
Expedition.
And
And
1 year. 1 year tour to
1 year
other country. It's up to you. 5 countries if you want.
Discount
50% off of Mulawin Pandesal.
Yes.
One piece of tansan.
And one
Tansan.
piece, one piece.
Good.
Okay, 1 year.
1 year supply of one notebook by
And one
Lacraze.
pamaypan.
Yes.
And one pamaypan.
Especially one pamaypay.
And
And our champion goes to
Binibining Bebo 2006 goes to goes to Candidate number 3. Thank you Bebo number 4 and 5 for the joint.
Luto yan! Luto! Luto yan!
Go, picture taking. Saan tumrinsa? Kabla mamiti ka ni Mal. Picture taking nga from Canada.
Yun yung second.
Go, picture.
Picture ya, video.
Okay, guys.
Picture.